Welcome to another episode, everyone. This one's kind of a short one, just a little bit of an update on the top and something that's really exciting that's coming up. September long weekend. I hope everyone has it free because I'm excited with what we're planning, and I think you will too. Depending on COVID situations at the time, man, we're gonna have a blast. So anyways, can't go too much into detail on it right now, but we are working on plans to get something that's going to be pretty fun for everyone. Anyways, to the top. The top definitely is better without the rooftop tent. If you remember from this episode here, it was having some issues, especially when there was a lot of crosswinds happening. So this top is definitely a little bit noisy. Yeah, I got to do some modifications to make this thing work a little bit better. Anyways, check this out. It's flapping so hard up and down you can see air through there. So what we ended up doing is taking the rooftop tent off, and man, what a difference it made. Recorded myself going around at highway speeds with the rooftop tent off, and yeah, it worked really well. All right, took the rooftop tent off, and the wind noise is very acceptable now. Going on the highway, the flapping is gone. So basically that tells me that the wind was coming off the rooftop tent and down onto the front of the canvas up here. So we're gonna have to figure out maybe a new way to go camping, or get a more aerodynamic rooftop tent, one of the two. So yeah, top is working great. Pretty happy about that. Just wanted to add as well, it's fairly windy out, so, and the top is doing very well. So it's kind of amazing how much wind was coming off that rooftop tent. So we decided to put a roof rack basket on the top. This one was specifically designed to work with the roof rack that was up there. It allows us to maybe put more storage up there and freeze up a little bit more if we wanted to maybe try a gazelle tent or an ARB swag tent. Put the cargo basket on the top. It's got a little airfoil designed to put the air up and over the top, and so far really good response to it. It is a super blustery day. We got lots of winds coming in. Apparently it's going to snow tonight. It's Canada, it's Alberta, it's bound to happen, but I would say success because it's looking pretty good on the top. Very happy with the results, and maybe what we'll do is this will open it up now for us to look at different types of tent camping, maybe a little bit more of an aerodynamic hard shell tent, but yeah, very happy with it. So it's a little bit windy today, but you know, I just wanted to update everyone, kind of let them know what's going on. There's some exciting stuff coming down, and I can't wait to share it with everybody. So appreciate you tuning in, and we'll see you next week.